how to unban your disabled Instagram account quite fast. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. The fastest way to get your account back is by getting the verified badge or the blue tick. This way the Instagram will be giving you the priority over others who don't have the verified badges, and this way your case will be resolved way faster than the others. And if you are lucky, then you can just simply appeal and provide the verification, which is the documents and the selfie verification, and this way if you are lucky you would get your account back within few minutes after verification. If you are not so lucky, then it might take a few days, and there's a way to get your account back too without buying the verified badge or the blue tick. For that you will have to open up your Facebook and the page that got banned on Instagram, and after switching to that page on Facebook, simply select the option of Meta Business Suite. Over here select the option of help, then click on help again, and a window will appear on the right hand side. Simply wait for it to load and search for the article like account got suspended without any reason. There will be some articles loaded up after that, or you can select any of these articles as well, or you can just simply scroll down and click on where it is satisfied. After that you can provide the reason over here, like your account got suspended for no reason, and you can provide additional details as well, and just tell everything honestly, and after that click on submit. This way the support will contact you using chat, and after waiting for a while the human will be contacting you on this chat, and that person will ask you some more questions about your suspension. Simply provide the answers, and that person might also ask for your phone number in order to call you and know your suspension in detail, and this way they would be able to help you out in a better way, and after your case is resolved you will get your account back. You might have to wait for like 4 to 5 days or maybe more sometimes, but I got my account back in 5 days. And when you get your account back, this is the email that you get. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.